Hello, friends. Roots channel heartily welcomes you to this high technology video clipping. This clipping is taken from x.com, dropped by Dhruv Rathe within brackets parody. Beijing to Shanghai. Content reads like this: Beijing to Shanghai. Distance 1318 kilometers. Time taken by the train 4 hours 18 minutes. Speed 350 kilometers per hour. Price 6,150 rupees. So again I read this once more for better understanding. Beijing to Shanghai. Distance is 1318 kilometers. Time taken 4 hours 18 minutes. Almost it's about 4 hours. Speed run by the train per hour 350 kilometers of speed per hour. The fare, the price to cover this 1318 kilometers, 6,150 rupees, less than the air ticket. It has been more than 10 years of Modi ji government, but still we don't have such trains in India. See, my observation and my view is that at present we don't need such type of trains. If the existing trains are upgraded and the speed increased a little and services within the train and outside the train, if it is enhanced, that is enough for the now. Let my countrymen, my brethren, get basic needs, that is food, shelter and clothing. Clothing, shelter and food. If these basic needs are met for each and every citizen of my countrymen, that is enough for the present. As government expects the in our beloved country will reach $5 trillion economy in the near future, maybe about 5 years time. When we reach 5 trillion US dollar economy and 5 trillion plus US dollar economy, then we can think of, if not such trains, at least half of that similar trains. This is my personal view. Hope my countrymen will agree with me. What we need at present is have 2 square meals, then clothing to cover the body decently, and a good and a cabin to shelter them in the rain and the hot sun, etc., to keep themselves safe and secure. These things are essential for my countrymen, especially the people below poverty line. Let them grow up and become a middle class or upper middle class, probably. Then we will think of such luxurious trains. Each train at present we heard from 10 years back, our Honorable PM has announced a bullet train from Mumbai to Ahmedabad. At the time, 10 years ago, the cost of the project was 1 lakh crores. Uh, Now, 10 years or 11 years have passed. Now it may be 5 times cost acceleration may be there, enhanced project cost. So at present, my countrymen, especially more than 40% of the people, they live just at the BPL line or below BPL line. Let them have these three basic needs adequately at their disposal. Government has to concentrate on this, not these luxury trains. Mr. Dhruv Rate Parde, hope I have expressed my feeling. As a patriotic citizen of my beloved country, hope my countrymen will agree with my views. Thank you. Take care and please like and subscribe Pride channel. Please like and subscribe Pride channel. Thank you. Take care of your health and families. God bless you all. Good night. Bye.